Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to destination for turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary green sanctuaries. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An outdoor living area, specifically a patio small space garden, is a purposefully designed exterior zone that functions as an extension of your indoor home environment. Unlike a traditional sprawling backyard, a small space patio garden focuses on maximizing a limited footprint, such as a balcony, a tiny courtyard, or a small paved area, to create a curated sanctuary. It is the art of blending hardscaping, like stone or wood flooring, with intentional greenery and comfortable furnishings. In essence, it is about creating a room without walls, where nature and design meet, proving that you don't need an acre of land to enjoy the luxury of the great outdoors. Having a patio small space garden offers a multitude of benefits that enhance both your home's value and your personal well-being. Physically, these spaces provide a private retreat for fresh air and relaxation, which is known to lower stress levels and improve mental clarity. From a practical standpoint, a smaller garden is much easier to maintain than a large yard. You spend less time weeding and mowing and more time actually enjoying the ambience. Additionally, a well-decorated patio increases the usable square footage of your property, creating a perfect spot for morning coffee, intimate dinners, or a quiet reading nook. These microgardens also help improve local air quality and provide a small but vital habitat for birds and pollinators, bringing a touch of essential biodiversity to urban environments. Decorating a small patio garden to look beautiful requires a strategic approach to scale, color, and verticality. To make the space feel larger and more cohesive, start by choosing a specific color palette: earthy tones for a rustic feel or monochromatic grays and blacks for a modern look. Utilizing vertical space is a must-do for small areas. Use wall-mounted planters, trellises for climbing vines, or tiered shelving to bring the greenery upward, which draws the eye and creates an immersive jungle feeling without consuming floor space. Lighting is another transformative element. String lights, lanterns, or small spotlights can create a magical atmosphere after dark. Finally, use mirrors or reflective surfaces on garden walls to create the illusion of depth, and layer textures using outdoor rugs and cushions to give the space a finished, designer look. To get the most out of a compact patio, you should invest in items that prioritize multifunctionality and durability. Foldable or bistro-style furniture is ideal because it can be tucked away when not in use, keeping the area flexible. For greenery, large statement pots are often better than many tiny ones, as they create a cleaner look and require less frequent watering. A high-quality outdoor rug is essential for defining the zone and making it feel like a true room. Additionally, consider a compact water feature or a small fire pit to serve as a focal point. The sound of trickling water or the glow of a flame adds an instant luxury feel. Smart storage solutions like benches with hidden compartments are also top-tier items because they provide seating while keeping gardening tools or extra pillows out of sight. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best patio small space garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, the cozy corner hearth. This intimate patio design focuses on warmth and comfort, proving that even a small corner can feel like a luxury lounge. A large stone fireplace serves as the anchor, flanked by green cushioned metal armchairs and a matching love seat. The addition of tall outdoor heaters ensures the space is usable year-round, while the wood shingle walls and decorative garden art give it a personalized, homey feel. 2. The Mediterranean Courtyard Retreat. This design features a stunning herringbone pattern brick floor that adds timeless texture and a sense of history to the space. Centered around a classic brick outdoor fireplace and comfortable cream-colored armchairs, this layout shows how a small courtyard can feel like a grand European villa. The use of climbing vines on the walls and tall, slender trees in the background provides necessary privacy and a lush atmosphere. 3. The modern Zen multi-level deck. A masterpiece of contemporary landscaping, this space utilizes varying levels of dark wood decking to separate a cozy fire pit area from a sun-drenched lounge zone. The curved wooden walkway creates a sense of journey through the sand-colored gravel, while orange accent pillows and bright green architectural plants provide pops of color that make the modern aesthetic feel warm and inviting. 4. The sculptural grass and slat sanctuary. This ultramodern backyard uses a striking orange-toned wood slat fence to create a warm, private enclosure that feels completely secluded. The central square of vibrant green artificial turf is surrounded by light gray concrete walkways and a sleek built-in wooden bench. The clean, symmetrical planting of manicured shrubs and a modern outdoor fireplace make this a high-end architectural gem perfect for urban living. 5. Sunken stone fire pit lounge. By creating a dedicated circular area for a fire pit using gravel and stone edging, this garden defines a clear activity zone within a small footprint. The Adirondack chairs offer a rustic, relaxed seating option, while the surrounding dense green hedges and hydrangeas create a natural green wall that ensures total privacy from neighbors while providing a beautiful backdrop. 6. Geometric water garden deck. This unique design integrates nature directly into the floor plan to create a tranquil escape. A wooden deck is built with precise cutouts for 3 square reflecting ponds, one featuring a small waterfall that provides soothing ambient noise. This floating deck feel, surrounded by a lush green lawn and vibrant perennial borders, creates a peaceful, meditative environment for a small backyard. 7. Contemporary pebble and paver path. This design uses white pebbles and oversized gray pavers to create a clean, high-contrast ground cover that feels very designer and spacious. A central corten steel water feature adds a touch of industrial chic, while tall ornamental grasses and purple alliums provide movement and a soft, natural balance to the sharp lines of the dark privacy fence in the background. 8. Vibrant garden oasis with traditional charm. This patio utilizes a beautiful stone paver floor and tiered stone retaining walls to create a lush, multi-dimensional garden feel. The dark wicker furniture with coral cushions provides a comfortable spot to view the variety of potted flowers and manicured lavender. It is a perfect example of using container gardening and vertical levels to fill every corner with life and color. 9. Bohemian Rhapsody deck. Perfect for those who love a relaxed, eclectic vibe. This wooden deck is transformed with a bold, geometric outdoor rug and comfortable white benches. The space is softened with fairy lights, a terracotta Moroccan poof, and a mix of potted tropical plants. It's a cozy, creative way to turn a simple wooden platform into a stylish social hub for relaxing with friends. 10. Minimalist gray slate geometry. For lovers of modern architecture, this patio uses clean lines, gray slate tiles, and white wicker furniture to create a sleek, uncluttered look. The dark charcoal privacy fences are broken up by tall, slender trees and a minimalist slate water feature. It's a sophisticated, low-maintenance design that feels incredibly spacious and high-end despite its limited dimensions. Designing a small patio garden is all about seeing the potential in every square inch. Whether you prefer a modern minimalist look or a lush bohemian jungle, the key is to create a space that reflects your personality and invites you to step outside and breathe. Remember, a small space doesn't limit your creativity. It just helps you focus on the details that truly matter. If you enjoyed these small patio inspirations, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly outdoor styling tips. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a transformation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.